How to knit this easy 4-row repeat knit pattern. I will show you step by step and row by row. This simple pattern looks amazing as a sweater, as you can see, but I can see so many projects I could use this pattern for. This video is fully narrated, so let my voice guide you through this tutorial. And my innovative progress bar at the bottom of the screen will show you exactly what row we are working on, making it easy for you to pause your project as needed and come back to it in your own time. So go grab your knitting needles and your yarn and let's get started. This stitch you would cast on in multiple of 4 plus 1 plus 2 for your edge stitches. So 4 plus 1 plus 2. So in this example, I'm going to cast on 4 repeats. So if you do the math, it's 4 times 4. That's 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 2 is 19. So I'm casting on 19 stitches for today. In case you're wondering why I'm using both sides of my round needle to cast on, it's just going to create the first row of stitches not being so tight, and makes it easier for me to knit my first row. All right, so I got 19 stitches on my needle and we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna start with knitting my edge stitch. And then for the first row, what you're gonna do is you're gonna purl all the way. I am an English style knitter. No, I'm a continental style knitter. But a lot of my family members are English style knitters. What kind of knitter are you? English or continental? Love to hear from you. I slip stitch my last edge stitch as if to knit. All right, so here is row 1 in our 4-row repeat. I'm gonna knit my edge stitch, and then you're gonna knit the first stitch, and then this is really interesting. We'll take a look at our next 3 stitches. So we're gonna insert our needle through the next 3 stitches, like so. We're gonna pull our yarn and pull it through as if to knit. Okay, as if to knit. So leave all of the 3 stitches on your left hand side, and then you're gonna yarn over. And it doesn't matter if you yarn over this way or yarn over this way. Okay, so whatever you used to, yarn over. You're going to insert your hook through all 3 stitches one more time. Pull through. This is what it should look like right now. And then you let go of all 3 stitches from your left hand side. Okay, so you have 3 loops here. So you started 3 loops and you end with 3 loops. Okay, and then you're gonna knit 1. We're gonna knit 1 in between. So let's do it again. Here are my next 3 stitches. You're gonna insert your needle through all 3 stitches. Grab your yarn, pull through as if to knit. Okay, and you can pull this a little higher. I like to pull a little bit higher, it gives it more texture. And then you're gonna yarn over, and then you're gonna knit through all 3 stitches one more time. And then you let 3 stitches go from the left needle. Okay, so knit, and let's work the last 2 repeats together. Okay, and here at the end, you're gonna knit one, and then you have your edge stitch, which I personally slip. And this is what it should look like right now. Okay, so let's knit row number 2. Row number 2 and 4 of the repeat. Super easy. All you're gonna do is you're gonna purl all the way across. And my edge stitch. Okay, so let's do row 3 of our 4-row repeat together. Okay, so in the first row, we did our slip stitch. We did our edge stitch and then we knitted one. Okay, in this specific row, we're gonna knit 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do our fancy stitch. And take a look at your work. So the next 3 stitches should look like this. So you have this line going to the left, and then you have the center, and then you have this stitch going to the right. So these are the 3 stitches you're going to be working into, okay? But that's what it should look like. So insert your hook, and you're gonna knit all 3 stitches, but don't let go of the stitches. Yarn over, insert your needle, not my hook, again, knit again, and then let go of the 3 stitches, and then you knit 1. Okay, so let's do it together one more time. You can start seeing the diagonal line. One, two, 3 knits at the end. So you start with 3 knits and you end with 3 knits, and in row 1 you started with 1 knit and you ended up with 1 knit. So remember that, okay? And for row number 4 of your 4-round repeat, all you're going to do is purl all the way through. So if you like this quick tutorial, I would love to hear from you guys. Give me a like, a share, and your subscription would be the ultimate compliment. All right, that was our 4-round repeat. So let's take a look at our work. So you can start seeing the lines going across, okay? So if we look at our work here, if you make a mistake, you can see it right away because then the lines don't line up anymore. So this is a super pretty pattern. I would love for you to give this a try, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.